Hey, how are you?
I am well. What about you?
I am really good. I feel great. Look at these beautiful trees.
Yes. They look fantastic. Everything is yellow.
Also, weather is super. Not cold, not hot. That is what I want.
Yes. You are right. It feels so good.
What is your favorite season? Spring, summer, fall, winter?
Actually, I love summer. But it is very hot sometimes. Probably I know, but I want to ask. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is of course fall. Look at this all beautiful things.
Yes, you are right. But I have a question. Is it fall or autumn? Which one is correct?
That is a good question. Actually, both of them are correct. Generally, American people use fall. British people use autumn.
Oh, this is a new information for me. Thank you.
Anytime. You are welcome. Also, I like walking in this season. It is relaxing and fun.
Yes, that is right. The sound of the wind is very good.
Yes, and I see a lot of animals in this season. Squirrel, rabbit, turtle and more.
Yes, and the leaves are falling.
So what do you like to do in the fall?
I love being at home and reading books in this season. And maybe a cup of coffee.
You are right. Being at home is really good. So, how is your life going?
Everything is same. I go to school. I do my homeworks. I meet my friends and have fun together. What about you? Tell me about it.
I go to school and I play basketball with my classmates. And then I go home and do homeworks. Maybe I play PlayStation.
It is great. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books a lot.
What kind of books do you read?
I like science fiction novels. What about you?
I love classic books.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
How old are they?
My sister is 14 years old. And my brother is 10. Do you have any?
Yes, I have a brother and he is 13. So, how do you spend your weekend?
Actually, I like go to the movie. You? What is your favorite activity for the weekend?
My favorite activity for the weekend is going to the gym and spending time with my family.
That is great. Spending time with family is important.
Definitely. Family is important than anything. By the way, do you know about Sarah's new job?
Yeah, I know it from social media. It's fantastic news. We should celebrate it.
Sounds great. How about dinner this weekend?
Perfect. Mexican or Italian?
Let's go with Italian. I love pasta.
Great choice. Oh, by the way, do you know sushi restaurant near here?
Yes, I know a sushi restaurant 2 miles away. It is a really good place. They have great sushis.
I love eating sushi. Maybe we can go to that place. But first, we go to the Italian restaurant.
Yes. First, we celebrate with Sarah and then we can go to the other restaurants. It is a great plan.
All right. See you at the weekend.
Have a good day. See you.
This is the end of our conversation. You can improve your English with our videos. If you want to see more beginners video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.